If I die, I voice reaveal. Oh, maya.
Cherry blossom iced tea. Cherry blossom iced tea. Cherry blossom iced tea.
Why are you whispering?
Cherry blossom iced tea. Cherry blossom iced tea.
Cherry blossom iced tea.
Cherry blossom iced tea. Cherry blossom iced tea. Cherry blossom iced tea.
I'm not gonna do it again. Red eyes, no flight. I had restless leg syndrome all night. Alright, well I'm not. Cause I'm late for work, about to skate my weight up and down the block. Cause I'm way too pressed and stressed out, you guessed it. Blessed with mental issues and tetanus. I can't find a sign of suggested place to rest my head, I feel helpless. Cause I was tested and I invested, but I fell short of what success is. So I reject what you expected and disconnect there. I expressed it, accept it.
Okay, I did. Question.
I predict a problem.
A simple fix. Come with me and take a look at this. Leg hair.
Yeah, that's it.
And toenails?
It's kinda sick.
Assisted.
Here to assist.
Awful behavior, what's up with it?
Well, life's not great, I wasn't born lucky. Welfare section 8 is real sucky. I can't find a mate, I'm too ugly. Disassociate, I'm not bubbly.
Will you keep this fun?
No, you asked for trouble, you listen up, L, I'm broken, disgruntled. This uniform's lame, I'm hot like a jungle. My toes real squishy, might get the fungal.
Ew.
Yeah, it's tragic.
Hygiene?
It's a tactic.
For what?
Mostly to keep people away. Works like magic.
Oh, look, fantastic.
Order.
Yes, go grab it.
Stickers.
Then pack it.
Okay, what'd this person order though?
Cherry blossom iced tea. Cherry blossom iced tea.
Cherry blossom iced tea.
Cherry blossom iced tea. Cherry blossom iced tea. Cherry blossom iced tea.
I gotta get paid overtime for this. I don't even know why I'm on this. I don't want to be on this. I feel like I should get a raise for being involved in these random side quests you have me do, because I could be like eating a burrito or skateboarding. I mean, not doing this, that's for sure.